Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app. And here it opens up like this. From here we can just tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Then tap on settings. And here at the top, under the notifications section, we can tap on Open System Settings. And here it's going to redirect us to the settings application in our phone. And here we can just tap on Allow Notifications to allow Trello to send us notifications about things that are happening on our boards, in our teams. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.